Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation x divided by 5 plus 1 equals 3. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of finding the value of x. So let's get started. Step 1. Begin by focusing on the given equation. You are given x divided by 5 plus 1 equals 3. Our first goal is to isolate the variable x. To start, we need to eliminate the plus 1 part on the left-hand side of the equation. We can do this by performing the inverse operation, which is subtraction. So we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. This keeps the equation balanced. Now look at how the expression is altered. On the left-hand side, we have x divided by 5 plus 1. Subtracting 1 from this side removes the plus 1, so we are left with just x divided by 5. On the right-hand side, we have 3. By subtracting 1 from 3, we get 2. Therefore, the equation now reads x divided by 5 equals 2. This completes step 1, and we have simplified the original equation to x divided by 5 equals 2. Step 2. Now that we have the simplified equation, x divided by 5 equals 2, our next goal is to solve for the variable x. To isolate x, we need to undo the division by 5. We can do this by performing the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication. So we multiply both sides of the equation by 5. This keeps the equation balanced. Let's see how this action changes the equation. On the left-hand side, we have x divided by 5. Multiplying this term by 5 cancels out the division by 5, leaving us with just x. On the right-hand side, we have 2. Multiplying 2 by 5 gives us 10. Therefore, the expression is now x equals 10. This completes step 2, which is also the final step. We have successfully solved for the variable x. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.